In order to take and look at filtering when you're taking profits, the way that we do it is, let's say that you took this down and down and down. Where do we get out? Well, filter the trade. As soon as price starts coming up, right, say to yourself, I want to filter these profits. If, in fact, price does not continue further down, offer yourself some insurance and filter it. Say to yourself, all right, I gave it one bar here. I gave it one opportunity to prove itself. If the next bar does not close lower, which it did not, okay, it didn't even close really within this bar here, why not exit the trade? Because you're actually filtering. We don't know what's going to happen. When we look at this, we don't know that this is going to go up or it's going to continue down. So when you filter a trade, allow what happens with each price bar tell you and show you really like a roadmap on what's going to occur. Now, you see all these bars here. Is there any indication, if you follow what it's doing, that it's going to continue down, for instance? No, absolutely not. As a matter of fact, I see the exact opposite. So if you were going to take profit, right, price comes down here, price comes down here again, price comes up, you're saying, wait a second, let me just filter out these profits now, because if I hold on, this may come all the way back up. Give it one, give it two, this closed higher, that's it, I'm done. I'm out. If price breaks again below these lows, take it short. Filter the trade properly, and I have a whole week on filtering trades that I do. Traders. Okay? I see here testing of the lows or double bottoms. There's all these things here. But in any case, when we filter a trade, allow it one time to go up. If the next candle does not prove to you the direction it wants to go is down, it has to prove to you, I am out of this trade. Right? Cut your losses or take profit. If price closes now, this is where your target is. Price did not close anytime below it until, and I'm going to put my arrow here, we reach this point. This is where you exited. This is the exact area where you would go short, because price now closed, you see that? Below the area where you were waiting for it to continue lower. Filter the trade. You filter this properly. Now you're okay to go short again. Here we go again. 1, 2, close lower, close higher. This bar right here, you're out. Got it, guys? Sam, okay, Sam, how about the first leg, long green hammer? It looks like wanting to go up. You know, I don't look at the hammers, the shooting stars, that kind of candlestick type of price action, because I don't trust it. I prefer to set my sights on what's happening as far as taking 1, 2, 3 candles. Show me the money. It's not showing me it wants to continue lower. It's actually the opposite. Sam. First green right here. Sam, leg green hammer. Can you show us the chart? 1055. Okay, hold on a second. Right here. Right. You gave it two. I gave it 2 bars. See that? I gave it 1, 2. Here we go. 1. Went up. Say to myself, uh-oh, what's happening here? Let me filter this out. I wait. I give it one more chance. The second bar, look at that, straight down. Okay, Sam? Sam, did you understand that? I'm letting it give it to me. I'm letting price close twice in order to substantiate going lower. It did not here. This bar it did. This did not. Right? Okay, very good, Sam. All right. A little bit on filtering trades. When do I filter trades? When do I do that? All right. I filter trades when the market is very slow. It's very slow because nobody's trading. There's a news event that's about to come out. There is a, everybody's waiting for the housing, the PPI, or they're going to raise interest rates. So what usually happens, guys, before any type of news event comes out? The market slows down, and everybody just kind of holds on and starts trading in a very tight range. Take that opportunity if you are going to enter to filter trades. All right, Chris, if I can, I'll send it to you, the recording, Chris. All right. So when do I filter trades? Slow markets. The opposite is true with fast markets. I have a great video out. No problem, Chris. I have a great video out called Trading the News, and I am going to, if Nate's in the room, he can do a quick link here on YouTube or on Screencast where I have it for the filtering emails. You got it, Chris. For the filtering videos that I have, okay, maybe about a half hour, an hour of filtering trades, videos, how to, and also Trading the News. I have a free video out there which shows you how the market shoots up and then right away at the top comes straight back down. And especially during a news event, it's very important to filter the trade because you can get caught at the high of the day and the market will just turn around and knock you right out. Not necessarily, Don. Trailing stop means that you have either a percentage or that you have a set stop if it goes back up to 2 or 3 points. I'm not concerned about how far up or down the price goes when I filter a trade on profits. I'm really looking for how the second candle closes, not how far its wick or the range of its volatility went. Don. Okay, a little bit different. All right. Okay, no problem, Don. If you have questions on that, feel free to email me. I will try to get to all the questions I have. Sam, how do you filter a trade for whether it's a retracement or a reversal? Okay. They filter trade when it's whether it's a retracement or reversal. Okay. This is let me just pull up here another chart. It may explain a little bit better, okay? Hang on, guys. Anybody here from Australia? I have quite a few Australian clients, and I always like to show the Australian dollar. So one second. So here we have the Australian dollar, okay? All right, so what do we have here going on? Let me first turn on, see here, this line. All right, let's first make that line a little bit darker, okay? And this is all accessible to you guys as when you have the Atlas line on TradeStation or NinjaTrader, you're able to turn on any of these trades, okay? Trade bounces, trade crosses, or trade double crosses, okay? It's all with the Atlas line, right? Okay. So what do we have going on here with the Atlas line? And I'm going to help you answer your questions here, okay? Sam, how do you filter a trade for whether it's a retracement or a reversal? Okay, so the first thing we got to know, Sam, is are we in the market or not? So if we're going to be in the market, as an example, take a look at this bounce short. The reason why we got this signal here, bounce short, is because price touched the Atlas line. Everybody can see that. Okay, and once it touched the Atlas line, it swung right back down, closed. See that? I'll get this out of the way. It closed beneath it. So it actually acted as resistance. It's a support and resistance here. So it came up, touched it, hit resistance on the Atlas line, closed below. Went right where it closes, we have our bounce short. That's, if it's over here, that's exactly that price, 0.9084. Okay, guys? That's why that order is given. A little explanation there. Now, if you want to filter the trade and say, okay, I'm not quite sure, this may just turn around and go back up. It might be choppy, whatever. Let it close let it price proof to you. And this huge candle came down and closed below. This is my filtering aspect where I say to myself, I'm going to actually wait till I have